Once again, isa pong magandang hapon sa bawat isa. Good afternoon! Okay, why don't you greet ang inyong pong katabi muna ng isang magandang hapon. Pakisabi din po, mas maganda pa sa hapon. There you go. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Mixplant Year-End Thanksgiving Party as we celebrate 35 years of excellence. Of course, allow me to introduce myself to everyone. My name is Zyralene Salud, and I am a singing host from Tawag ng Tanghalan Season 5 and Wish 107.5 Wish Story Season 2, the singer and the song. I will be your singing host for today's celebration of Mixplant Incorporation. Isa naman po masigabong palakpakan, everyone! There you have it. Of course, today is not just all about celebration and Thanksgiving. It is also showcasing our love for our rich Filipino culture. As we can see, lahat po tayo ay naka-modern Filipiniana attire. And you are all looking amazing. That's why before we continue with our program, we will do something that is a little bit of fun. So I want you all to please stand up one more time, everyone. Tayo nga po tayong lahat, mga Ginoo at Binibini. At pwede po ba, ayan, tayo po ay mag-high five sa hindi natin ka-department. Okay? At least 35 tao. Okay? That's the challenge. Dahil 35 years sa Mixplant, and then magka-high five po makasabi, napakaganda mong Binibini. Okay? O napakagwapo mong Ginoo. Okay, so everyone, let us room around and high fives sa bawat isa. At the count of 3, let us room around and say high five to everyone in different departments. 1, 2, 3, go! Come on, everyone, room around. Sinang ganda-ganda mo naman, Binibini? Pagalang-galang pa kayong gabi o ngayong hapon. 35 po may nagbibilang po sa atin kung 35 po kayo na high five. Again, 35. Dapat po yung sayang hindi na makilala. Yan. Papasabi po, ang ganda mo naman today. Ang pogi. And syempre, papasabi, Merry Christmas! Happy New Year! There we go. Come on, just room around. Okay,